Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chevy Avalanche Garcia, and today we got to show you with the 2002 Chevy Avalanche with powered by the Vertec V8 5.3 liter gasoline in it. But now have a safety version, safety seatbelt, safety, and then have for it's safety in my truck. Have for kilometers. Let's check it out. First, you get open the door. Then to lift it up, then shut the door, then wearing the seatbelt, then turn to buckle up, buckle, and back to the place. Then pour to crank it up, the horn steering wheel, then crank it up. My wires. So let's turn the engine, cold start, and let it run. This particular have Vertec Avalanche, and they have 45 miles. Then you listen to my phone, listen to AUX. Whoa! And go backwards. They go reverse, things like that. Careful. There we go. That's it. So pour windows up, and then left one. That's pretty cool. Let's turn it off. Then turn it back off with the radio. That's enough. That's it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Enjoy the video. Peace out. Oops, I got my phone. Anyway, enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Miss Brown will be proud.